Welcome to How to Tutorial videos. Today we are going to letting you know that how you can download your NEET result. Yes, you can download your NEET result on your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you want to download it. First of all, don't forget to like and hit subscribe button for get like videos that. First of all, for downloading your NEET result, you have to just visit on your internet browser. From there, you have to type ntaneet.nic.in. Yes, you have to visit on ntaneet.nic.in, and after that you have to click on results button. Yes, when you click on results button, you will find this website on there, from where you have to click on any server for download. Click on download server 1, or you can go to download server 2. When you click on any server of them, you will linked to this website. After that, you will be asked about your date of birth and your roll number. You have to enter your roll number, and after that you have to fill your date of birth. If you hope your date of birth is 12th December 1991, you have to type this using /. After that, you have to click on submit button. When you click on submit button, you will see your downloaded result in front of you on your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you using internet. Hope you understand that how you can download NEET result on your mobile phone or laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, then they can know how they can download NEET results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like that. Be with us, keep learning how to tutorial videos.